Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox something from Adidas, the Yeezy Boost 350 version 2 Yecheil. This one was released a few months ago, better late than never, so let's go. Okay, let's check the box. Boost. That's this. Yes, it is size 7. So, hindi ko siya size. Side box. Top box. 350. Bottom. So, open natin siya. Yan. Size tag niya. So, yung right pair. Yan. Itong box. And one thing na mapapansin nyo sa mga authentic, malambot tong sole nya. Sa mga fake kasi medyo matigas to eh. Ito hindi mo mapaperize. Easy. So meron lang siyang paper inserts. So, yung isang way ng pag-check ng pagiging authentic niya is yung picturean mo siya with flash. Kasi, mag-reflect yan. Tingnan nyo. Yun. Pansin nyo ba? Yan. Ganyan siya dapat. Kasi pag yung mga fake, hindi siya reflectorize. Non-reflective yung iba. That's it for today. Please do subscribe and push the notification bell button to keep updated for more unboxing videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!